Thanksgiving Day. Bountiful blessings, warm gatherings.
Origin of Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving originated in 1621 when English pilgrims, helped by the local Wampanoag tribe, survived a harsh winter in America. To express their gratitude, they held a harvest feast in the fall. This event became the basis for the Thanksgiving tradition. In 1863, President Lincoln made Thanksgiving a national holiday, and in 1941, it was set on the fourth Thursday of November.
Customs and traditions. Family gathering.
Thanksgiving is an important holiday for family reunions, with family members often traveling from afar to gather and celebrate together. Thanksgiving family gatherings emphasize love and unity, giving family members a chance to share updates and express gratitude for one another.
Thanksgiving prayer.
Many families offer a Thanksgiving prayer before the meal, thanking for the blessings and achievements of the past year. Typically led by an elder family member, everyone gathers around the table to bow their heads in a moment of silent prayer, expressing gratitude for all of life's blessings.
Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade.
Since 1924, Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade in New York City has become a major holiday celebration, attracting millions of on-site and television viewers across the country. The parade showcases giant balloon figures and floats, featuring popular characters and Santa Claus, signaling the start of the Christmas season.
Black Friday shopping.
The day after Thanksgiving is known as Black Friday, the biggest shopping day of the year in the U.S., marking the start of the Christmas shopping season. Stores offer large discounts to attract shoppers, with people lining up early in the morning and even camping out overnight. This shopping frenzy has spread globally in recent years, becoming a shopping holiday in various countries.
The meaning of Thanksgiving. A heart of gratitude.
Thanksgiving encourages people to reflect on the year's experiences and express gratitude for family, friends, and the circumstances they have. It's a day that reminds people to be thankful, not just for their harvest but also for those who have helped and supported them.
Family reunion.
Thanksgiving is an important time for family reunions, symbolizing the warmth of family and the bonds of kinship. Many people make a special trip home to gather with loved ones, share a feast, and enjoy each other's company.
Celebration of harvest.
Thanksgiving originated as a harvest celebration, symbolizing the gifts of nature and abundance. Though modern Thanksgiving has expanded to express gratitude for all aspects of life, the harvest meaning endures, represented by traditional foods like turkey, corn, and pumpkin.
Respect and cooperation.
Thanksgiving's history originates from the cooperation and mutual aid between early pilgrims and Native Americans. This reminds people of the importance of mutual respect and support among different cultures, symbolizing friendly relations among humanity.
Common words for Thanksgiving.
Blessings, blessings. Bounty, bounty. Cornucopia, cornucopia. Feast, feast. gourd, gourd. Harvest, harvest. Pilgrims, pilgrims. Prosperity, prosperity. Parade, parade. Relatives, relatives. Reunion, reunion. Thankfulness, thankfulness. Traditions, traditions. Wishbone, wishbone.
Common Thanksgiving food words.
Apple pie. Brussels sprouts. Cornbread. Cranberry sauce. Dinner rolls. Mashed potatoes. Pecan pie. Pumpkin pie. Roast turkey. Sweet potatoes.
Thanksgiving in different countries. Canada.
Canada's Thanksgiving is celebrated 1 month earlier than in the United States, on the second Monday of October. Thanksgiving in Canada is often celebrated with outdoor activities. Many people choose to hike, camp, or engage in other ways to enjoy the natural beauty of the fall season.
Japan.
Japan's Labor Thanksgiving Day is held annually on November 23rd. Students pay tribute to workers, and schools conduct educational activities to teach children the value of hard work and respecting others' efforts. On this day, the government and various organizations hold events to show respect for laborers.
Germany.
Germany's Erntedankfest or Harvest Festival is typically celebrated in September or October, especially in rural areas. Germans hold solemn church services to thank for the year's harvest. Churches are decorated with crops and fruits, symbolizing abundance. The Harvest Festival in Germany includes church services, musical performances, and dancing.
South Korea.
South Korea's Chuseok is celebrated on the 15th day of the 8th lunar month, similar to the Chinese Mid-Autumn Festival, but with a greater focus on gratitude and harvest. Families gather to make songpyeon, rice cakes, and perform grave cleaning rituals, symbolizing gratitude and respect for their ancestors. Happy Thanksgiving Day!